Okay, hi everybody. This is Taylor again. I'm with ValleyScape and we're in La Quinta today. We're doing a lighting repair, outdoor lighting, landscape lighting repair. And the reason we're doing this, one of our clients we installed the lights for about 6 months ago, just had all his palm trees trimmed. And you can imagine what happened. One of the palm trees took out one of the lights. So check this out. There it is, our fallen soldier. And so let me show you what we do, or how you, even yourself, can repair this light. So to start with, the wires were all ripped up. So we got to fix the wires. But also, if you notice here, the actual threads for the stake are messed up. So we're going to have to get a new stake. In this case, I don't remember exactly where the light was, so I'll have to find it or put a new stake in, which is probably what I'll do, is just put a new stake in. But I do need to go ahead and reconnect the wires. So let me show you how to do that. Okay, so we got a new stake right here. We're gonna go ahead and put that in the ground with that hammer. And then I found the old wiring, it's right there. So I made a little trench, I'll make it a little deeper. And then we'll connect the wiring, put the stake in, and I'll show you the next step. A little tip, when you're doing a path light, it's good to always keep a level with you and kind of have an idea how level the stake is, because if it's off just a little bit one way or the other, you will amplify it. When you have the light in there, it'll be crooked. So keep a level with you. Next step, taking the wires, we need to cut them back. We want clean copper, so we use our wire cutters, and then we'll re-strip the actual coating off the wire. Okay, at this point we got the wires connected, they're put together, so we need to turn the transformer on and see if it works. And it does. So both lights work. So now we'll go ahead and use these large wire nuts that are silicone filled. They will keep the water and dirt out. I know that one's a little dirty. Clean that off. But that way that connection will be protected, and then we'll go ahead and dig this a little deeper and bury it. Well, that's a wrap. Thanks for watching. This video hopefully will help you if you have a small landscape lighting repair that you need to do. We're always available to help with lighting. We love landscape lighting. We work from Palm Springs to La Quinta, and we're happy to help you with a repair, help you with planning or removal of old lighting, cleaning. We even do light cleaning, and we do installation. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.